Hello, I'm attorney Francesco Ficci Martinez. Welcome to this YouTube video and to my YouTube channel. If you're viewing this video on my website, I'm happy that you found my website, that you're looking at my blog and seeing hopefully other relevant topics to your questions, to your immigration questions. I have this YouTube video, this YouTube channel that I update regularly on. Additionally, I have a website. My information will be linked below, and also if you can't find your answer here on YouTube, try my website. Give my website a try. I have a search feature in it. I should be showing an animation of how to find the search feature and how to search on my website. If you don't see anything that's relevant to your question, rephrase it. That is it. Here is the video. Thank you for your time. Hello, I'm attorney Francesco Ficci Martinez with Ficci Martinez Law Firm, P.L.L.C. I am an immigration attorney with offices in Jacksonville, North Carolina and Fayetteville, North Carolina. Today's topic is proxy marriage for U.S. immigration. Even though most see a marriage as a church ceremony or a courthouse wedding, some have the questions of whether a proxy marriage is a convenient option. There is no right answer, no straight yes or no to answering this question. A proxy marriage occurs where one or both of the marrying couple are not present at the physical location of the ceremony. If you need an example of how this could be, imagine a computer screen where the spouse or spouses should be. Programs like Skype and FaceTime help make the experience a real-time occurrence. Now, the main question is, does USCIS recognize proxy marriage? Surprisingly, USCIS does recognize proxy marriage under INA Section 101A35, but only if two elements are present. First, the proxy marriage must observe the place of celebration rule, meaning a marriage is valid for immigration purposes in cases where the marriage is valid under the law of the jurisdiction in which the marriage is performed. Meaning, if where the marriage is performed in that location, if it is legal to be married by proxy, then that element will be accepted by USCIS. Second, the proxy marriage is only recognized by USCIS after the couple married by proxy, so married in that location, and consummate the relationship. They are actually physically together. Another follow-up question is, how do you prove a proxy marriage? The burden is on the couple to prove that the proxy marriage is valid and that consummation occurred. The couple should attest in the immigration petition and application that the proxy marriage is a recognized marriage for immigration purposes. However, if the couple is deemed to have failed to successfully prove a valid marriage, the immigrant would be ineligible for further marriage-based green card processing unless a USCIS recognizable marriage occurs. Now, the last follow-up question that usually comes for this topic is, should I do a traditional marriage or a proxy marriage? From an immigration attorney's perspective, the easier path is to physically marry abroad or to have the marriage in the U.S. If a proxy marriage requires both couples to be together to consummate the relationship, then a church wedding or a courthouse, justice of the peace, would be possible. If you're in the same area, naturally, you wouldn't need a proxy. You could just marry normally. This is a very interesting topic for immigration purposes, and especially for this immigration attorney. I hope this answers your question about proxy marriage, the topic, what it is, and especially how it relates to U.S. immigration, specifically USCIS, United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. Okay, I hope this answers your question. Thank you for your time.